Okay, this is a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill with hand wheels, model DPM, serial number 96-2197. The machine was new in 1996, and we reconditioned it in 2014. It has two X and Y new cables and reader heads. It has a factory reconditioned pendant and also a factory reconditioned computer. We put new belt and bearing on the upper head assembly, and we're going to run around for you now. All right. You can see the quill counting on the control. You can move the head, the Z-axis is the whole head moving up and down. It also does the math. All the axes, motors, and ball screws are quiet. We'll also move it by hand to show that when we move it by hand, it becomes a 3-axis digital readout. Oh, we also bought a couple of new weight covers in the back there, you can see. And also the one behind. Okay, we're going to run the spindle in a low range right now. Low range, okay.
That's the very top of the low range.
Machine also has a Kurt power drawbar. It's a 40 taper spindle.
That's the low end of the high range. That's just the drawbar here.
Yeah, the drawbars, there's no cooling. Okay. Okay, show the serial number over here on the side of the machine, and the new computer in the back. Oh, you can see over here that the tags that these were replaced in 2014, and show the new computer in the back. The door shut on the bottom, actually. Okay.